My name is Marcos Eleftheriou. I'm the legal director at Fieldfisher. I work on a full spectrum of medical negligence cases, including birth injury cases. For example, I'm currently working on 3 sets of cases involving twins who were injured at birth. I also work on a number of oncology cases, mostly involving delays in diagnosis. I work on spinal and brain injury cases. Spinal cases include delays in diagnosing quadricuspid syndrome or substandard spinal surgery, and brain injury case examples include delay in diagnosing stroke and also delay in diagnosing and treating encephalitis. The most rewarding part of the work for me is that when you first meet a client, it's often in a time of crisis. Your aim, therefore, is to work with them to hopefully secure damages through a successful claim and help them regain some independence through rehabilitation and securing their care and accommodation needs if necessary. The process can be long and difficult, but ultimately getting to the point where the client has regained independence and can move on with their life is the most rewarding part of this work. And I think most personal injury and medical negligence lawyers would probably give you the same answer. Advice for potential clients who are considering bringing a claim. I think most people worry about the cost of bringing a claim. So the first thing I'd say there is if you're instructing a reputable firm, there should be no financial risk to you. You will only ever have to pay any costs if you win your case, and those costs would come out of your damages. So you should never be out of pocket and there is no financial risk. Another piece of advice for potential clients is that if you are considering whether you should bring a claim, most lawyers, most medical negligence and personal injury lawyers will be quite happy to give you an hour or so of their time on a no obligation basis in order to give you free, quick, independent advice as to whether you might have a claim. So there's no risk in having that initial conversation and exploring with the lawyer whether it's something you want to pursue.